there.
No, get off the bushes. Or somebody comes and sees us. Okay, get off the bushes. Hello? Hello?
I'm about to go push the car off, Mommy.
Hello? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. What do you
Mommy,
want?
can I go push the car off?
No, you can't.
Why?
What do you want?
I want to go push the car off, Mommy.
No, she's doing something. She's doing something.
Who's she talking
Okay.
to? Who you talking to?
Ooh.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Oh, God.
Are we off the bushes?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Now let's see all the bushes that we just ran over.
This is forward.
Okay, now you can see we destroyed the bushes. Destroyed the bushes. Mommy, turn around and look at me. What do you have to say about destroying
Did I
the
tell you
bushes?
guys I wrecked a duty van in Naples?
No,
Italy?
no, I'm interviewing you. Can you please explain to me how you feel about destroying our bushes?
I didn't destroy them.
You liar.
Well, what'd you
They're still living.
Okay, well, how do you feel about squishing our bushes?
You gotta show this to them in Georgia.
Come on, guys.
I'm showing this to all my friends at school.
on.
To
And in
tell them
Georgia.
that you
No,
just, yes,
not.
that you
No.
destroyed our bushes.
No.
I'm showing everybody,
Yo,
Mommy.
answer the phone.
Bush killer.